Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to enable cross-play in FIFA 23 and invite friends, okay? So now the first thing that you'll need to do is just you have to tap on this one here. So you'll be able to see this page here. Now just tap on the player search, okay? So you'll just have to search for a player using this search bar. So right after added a friend, so you'll have to check if they have confirmed your request. So just tap on the friends option at the top left corner of the screen below the social. So their name will going to pop up here. Another thing is that we have to enable something in the settings. So we just tap on the gear icon. So this one here. After tapping on the gear icon is you'll have to tap on the online settings. And then you'll have to open the matchmaking options. And then finally, you can now see the crossplay enabled. So you'll just have to choose the yes. Now go back to the main menu, okay? And then tap on play modes. And then tap on quick play modes and then tap on the online friend list. Okay. Here you will start a new friend list season. You will be able to invite them here. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.